Disney Channel gives kids a chance to show their stuff.
Hi, I'm Caroline, and I collect grass.
So tell me, how does it feel when you find a new piece of grass?
It feels special, awesome, great. Catastrophe has struck. I just wish I could only have been there to help prevent this destruction. Destruction. Crikey, it's wild grass in its natural habitat. Look how long and beautiful it is.
Now, is that a common thing for all grass in this area, or?
No. Unfortunately, it is butchered and cut and bitten, eaten, rolled around and played with. It is not good for the environment. We need to help save it.
Is there anything that the viewers can do at home?
Persuade their parents to let the grass grow for a couple more days and let it blossom and bloom.
All right. So tell me, what are the dangers of natural grass collecting? Is it worth it?
It is all worth it. There is dangers. There is dangers with cutting the grass. I mean, it could easily die just from cutting it.
Now, is that something right there, that blade of grass?
Oh my gosh! It's like the light has shined right on it so we can find it. This is a strange, very rare piece of grass with an Amazonian bug on it, only found in certain types of Maryland and the Amazon.
Wow.
Look at that beauty.
Are we going to put it back and let it flourish, or?
Well, I already plucked it, so
Okay.
I will have to replant it in my special sanctuary.
Okay.
I shall do that now.
Beautiful.
This is my special sanctuary of grass. I keep it here for special reasons.
It's very lush, if I may say so.
You may.
And are those scissors you have there?
Yes, there are scissors. The sanctuary is cut by hand with scissors because it is just too fragile for the lawnmower. And lawnmowers are so destructive. So I decided to use scissors and cut it myself.
Do you recommend this method for anyone else out there who's looking to start collecting grass?
I do. It is a safe and healthy way to keep the grass at a smaller point if it must. And it's fun because you can spend extra time with it too.
All right. Now, what do you want kids to know about your grass collecting hobby?
That it is fun-filled and anyone, young and old, can do it. It is just so great.